If your NVR or DVR is running out of storage, this 3-minute guide explains how to extend it efficiently in one complete paragraph. Start by checking your recorder's maximum supported HDD capacity, because every device has limits. Some support 1 TB, while advanced recorders handle 6 TB, 8 TB, or even multiple 1 OTB surveillance drives. Always choose surveillance-grade HD discs such as WD Purple, Seagate Skyhawk, or Toshiba Surveillance, because these drives are designed for 24/7 continuous video writing and last much longer than normal desktop drives. If your recorder has multiple HDD bays, simply install an additional drive to expand capacity. If it has only one bay, replace your existing drive with a higher capacity model. For businesses or larger setups, consider using RAID configurations: RAID 1 for mirroring, RAID 5 or RAID 6 for redundancy plus expansion to protect data while increasing usable storage. You can also connect a NAS network attached storage to offload recordings, or use hybrid cloud storage to save important motion events to cloud servers, helpful for remote monitoring and backup protection. Beyond hardware upgrades, optimize your storage through settings. Reduce frame rate slightly, adjust bitrate, enable H265 or H265 compression, and switch from 24/7 recording to motion only or event-triggered recording in low-activity areas to save massive space without losing important footage. Also manage retention settings so old video overwrites automatically instead of filling up the drive. For sensitive locations, create separate schedules for day and night recording to balance quality and space. In 2025, these combined hardware and software strategies allow homes, shops, offices, and enterprises to maintain long-duration CCTV recording weeks or even months without losing critical evidence, ensuring a scalable, reliable, and future-proof storage system that grows with your security needs.